Hello everyone, my name is MARABHATHINI YASASWINI, registration number 21BEC7204, and my team members are SEELAM CHINNA VENKATA NARAYAN REDDY, registration number 21BEC7156, MALLISETTI ADITYA 21BEC7154, and GARIKA SIVA RAMA KRISHNA 21BEC7212. And with our team of 4 members, together we solved 2.5 question answer. Now, myself MARABHATHINI YASASWINI, registration number 21BEC7204, is going to explain the 2.5 question solution. Now, let's get into the video. 2.5. Given our question is x of n equals to 1 from the interval 0 to 9 and 0 otherwise, and h of n equals to 1 from the interval 0 to capital N and 0 otherwise, where capital N is less than or equals to 9 is an integer. Determine the value of capital N given that y of n equals to x of n convolution h of n and y of 4 equals to 5, y of 14 equals to 0. Now let us write our given data first. Given two signals x of n equals to 1 from 0 to 9 and 0 otherwise, and h of n equals to 1 from 0 less than n less than capital N, 0 to n, and 0 otherwise. And they have also given that n less than or equal to 9 is an integer. Determine the value of n. We have to find the value of n. Given that y of n equals to x of n convolution h of n. We know the formula of convolution is y of n equals to summation over k equals to minus infinity to infinity x of n minus k into h of k, or summation over k equals to minus infinity to infinity x of k h of n minus k. We can use any of these formulas, but for now this sum we are using the first formula. Now, from the steps of convolution, what's the first step? Our first step is to change the given signals into k domain. Changing given signals x of n, comma, our impulse response h of n to k domain. It becomes x of k equals to 1 from 0 less than or equals to k less than or equals to 9 and 0 otherwise. The h of k equals to 1 from 0 less than or equals to k less than or equals to capital N and 0 otherwise. The second step is we have to reflect x of k. Means we have to find here x of minus k. As we are using this formula, so we are finding the x of minus k. 1 from minus 9 less than or equals to k less than or equals to 0 and 0 otherwise. Our third step is we have to shift x of minus k by n. Means we are finding here x of n minus k. So our x of n minus k becomes 1 from n minus 9 less than or equals to k less than or equals to 0 and 0 otherwise. Now let's plot what we have taken until now. This is h of k. It is from 0 to up to capital N. It is 1 until capital N. It is 1 and remaining full regions will be 0 after that region. Now our x of k is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. Is 1 until 0 to 1 reach, and remaining all are zeros. These all become 0 remaining region. Now our x of minus k is, we have to reflect x of k, so we get x of minus k 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 4, minus 5. This is our x of minus k. Next, our last, our x of n minus k. Let's see, n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3, n minus 4, n minus 5, 6, n minus 7, up to 8, n minus 9. 4, 5, n minus 6, n minus 7, n minus 8. It is 1. And the remaining region becomes 0. Now from this we can write that when n is greater than or equals to 0, our convolution starts. When n is greater than or equals to 0, our overlapping starts. And when n minus 9 is greater than 9, our overlapping breaks, means it ends. When n minus 9 greater than capital N, overlapping ends. So our n becomes greater than n plus 9. Let it be our first equation. First equation, n greater than n plus 9. At this point, this equation is when the remaining region becomes 0 at this point. Now they have given that y of 14 is equals to 0. Y of 14 is equals to 0. Now from equation 1 we can write, as they have given our equation 1 as n small n greater than n plus capital N plus 9. This is our first equation. Now our n is 14. So our n should be less than 14 minus 9. So our n becomes less than 5. This is from 1. This. Now so our n plus 9 should be less than 14. Let the value be as 13, which is less than 14. So n equals to 13 minus 9. N equals to 4. Now let us consider as n equals to 4. Our n value as 4. Now let us check that. Let us check. From the given data, they have also given that y of 4 is equals to 5. If y of 4 is equals to 5, when we take capital N equals to 4, then our y of 14 is equals to 0. At that time, our value becomes n equals to 4. Hence, it satisfies the given full data. So let us check now. Now we know that our convolution formula is y of n equals to summation over k equals to minus infinity to infinity x of n minus k and h of k into x of n. Now we are finding y of 4. So y of 4 equals to summation over k equals to 0 to 9 x of 4 minus k into h of k. Now as we expand this summation we get, now let us expand it step by step. X of 4 into first 0 no? H of 0 plus x of 3 into h of 1 plus x of 2 into h of 4, 3, 2, 1 and x of 0 into h of 4, x of minus 1 into h of 5, x of minus 2 into h of 6 plus x of minus 3 into h of 7 plus x of minus 4 into h of 8 plus x into h of x of minus into h of 9. From 0 to 9, as we expand we get these values. Now accordingly let's plot our x of n minus that only 4 minus k and h of k. So our h of k is 0 to capital N. So our capital N is 4. So 0 to 1, 2, 3, 4. As our capital N is 4. Now x of 4 minus k. So as we substitute 4 minus k, we get minus 5, 3 minus 2 minus 1, 2, 3, 4. We get this plot. It is 1, okay, and remaining the region will be 0, this whole region. Now what are the summation? X of 4 into h of 0. X of 4, at 4 it is 1 and h of 0, so 1 into 1, our first value becomes 1 into 1 plus next we are given that x of 3 into h of 1, x of 3 it is 1 and h of 1 1, x of 3 is 1 here and h of 1 is 1 here, yeah. So we get again another 1 into 1 plus our x of 2 into h of 2. X of 2 is 1 and h of 2 is also 1. So 1 into 1, 1 into 1 plus we get similarly again another 1 into. Now see, let's check x of 4 and into h of 0. X of 4 into h of 0 we get the value, overlapping is there, and x of 3 into h of 1. X of 3 into 1 we have the overlap. X of 2 into h of 2. X of 2 into h of 2 we still have the overlapping, and x of 1 into h of 3. X of 1 h of 3. We have the overlapping. X of 0 into h of 4. X of 0 into h of 4. We still have the overlapping. When it exceeds this line, our overlapping ends, means the value is 0 here. So next our value is x of minus 1 into h of 5. X of minus 1 into h of 5. Here h of 5, which is 0, means no overlapping. Here it ends. So the remaining all values become 0. If we multiply x of minus 1 into h of 5, 1 into 0, 0. X of minus 2 into h of 6, 1 into 0, again 0. H of minus 3 into h of 7, h of minus 3 into h of 7, again 1 into 0, 0. X of minus 4 into h of 8, 1 into 0, again 0. X of minus 5 into h of 9, 1 into 0, again 0. So remaining will be 0. Again 1 into 0 plus 1 into 0. Our remaining values become 0. How many ones? 1 plus 1 plus 1. So equals to 5. Hence we get y of 4 value as equals to 5. Means it is satisfying. Which satisfies the given data. It means that at n capital N equals to 4 only y of 14 is equals to 0 and y of 4 equals to 5. We get these values at n equals to 4 only. If we take greater value or higher value than 4, then if we take higher value than n equals to 4, then our y of 14 is not equals to 0. Hence we will not get y of 4 value as 5. Therefore, our n value is equals to 4. Thank you.